Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're just going to go through doing oil change on a 2013 JK Wrangler with 3.6 in it. What you're going to need for this is 13mm socket, a 15/16 millimeter socket, 6 quarts of oil, a couple rags, funnel, and a catch pan. We'll start by getting underneath the vehicle and draining the oil. Slide the catch pan under, loosen the bolt on the back of your pan here. Once the oil is finished draining, just put your plug back in. Like that. Oil filter is located right here at the front of the motor. Oil filter that goes in it is a 36-135. You're going to loosen the cap with a 15/16 wrench. Move the oil filter. This will clip in place. Get your new oil filter. This side goes into the cap. New O-ring. Just slide that down the cap to the base. And reinsert. To refill the engine with oil, the fill spout is right here. You're going to use 520 oil. I'm going to start off with putting 5 quarts in it. Check it. It should take 6. Check the oil right here on the left of the engine. Still a little low, and we know we haven't filled up the oil filter yet, so I'm going to go ahead and put the other quart in. Put your cap back in, start it up, check for leaks, and then you're done. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, you could do me a solid and throw me a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And have a great day.